you ever want to go for the gorge? I've been up this road.
Oh, have you?
Doing what?
Huh?
Yeah, right.
This ain't Whore Hill Road.
That's like a deep hole. Oh, that. Easy. Ow, hit my head off the roof.
Did you? I'll slow down.
Aw,
Yeah, I was gosh.
Oh, maybe that.
here's one now. What is this? Is it a cabinet?
Yeah, some metal cabinet.
What the heck?
Camper, trail, looks like a
That's
trail.
old.
Yeah,
That is.
I wonder if there's anything.
Not, on the bikes, you can get right through this.
Remember that one.
Oh, fuck. Yeah. These fucking things are beastly.
Yeah, holy shit. Jeeps are awesome. This is like, wow.
Just
Invincible.
It is a tank.
Yeah.
Oop, that was something kicked up.
It's alright. That's a little.
Ain't nothing but a thing.
Alright.
Hang on.
Woo!
What the hell, man? It's like I kick everything up.
Feet over this.
Which way did he go?
Right.
You.
Yeah, maybe. Wow, look where he's going.
What the?
You're like.
Holy cow,
Oh,
yeah.
I don't think
Impressed with it.
a four-door's never been through here, that's for sure.
Oh, I thought because it got spiders in the back. So that's what
That's
I'm
right.
fucking thinking, and I'm inside the Jeep. Oh, I got service in here.
Oh, bumped right into that.
Yeah, nailed it.
What am I on?
Fucking the log itself.
Am I?
Yeah, that side's caught right on it.
Winch time?
Coming up. Tires clearing. There you go.
He's stuck on the guy tree.
Uh-oh.
He's pretty committed.
He don't even give a fuck.
I know.
He's waiting to say something. Oh!
Trying to reverse first. You know, that two wheel.
Wrong one.
Third have been cut already. Yeah, it obviously has been.
Think so?
Watch your window.
Window. Close the window.
Damn.
No.
Yep.
Oh, you're there. That's it.
Nasty with it, boy.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah, this thing don't cut like that. Ooh, someone fucking took the top of that rock off. I think he just did.
This is that little stream?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
A little mud.
Thank you.
Oh, boy. Wow, man. That's fucking straight down. I'm not trying to make it.
Woo! You need to stop. You're so negative.
Samrai's not gonna make it, he goes.
God.
They made trail, so I hope that he makes it.
But it's...
Woo! Chris! He like literally slid all the way into the middle seat.
Go.
I can't.
Uh-oh, must be muddy.
You'll be alright.
Nah.
Yeah, exactly. Put a wheel on that and then turn. Yep.
Yeah,
exactly.
you're probably gonna drag your rear on it though.
Yeah, it's a big hole, boys.
You might want your lockers.
Yeah, let's go clean.
I think I'm gonna put my lockers on, hold on.
busted my window out.
Well, it's,
No way.
The little window, yeah.
did it?
Oh yeah, there was a...
Might have to name this tree body
That's
damage.
gonna be a tight one for you, huh?
I know. I'm trying to hit it one more
You got
time.
about 5 inches over here.
Yeah, but it's just about. Oh, I might make it.
Nice.
Nice job.
How are you gonna turn that tree in front of you?
I'll make it.
Awesome.
You just gotta worry about your mirrors.
Oh, this is coming up.
Yeah.
How am I?
Alright, good. Keep doing what you're doing.
I might nudge this tree.
You're making it.
You got it.
Wow.
Nice.
Oh, I got it.
This is definitely a samurai trail.
Let me pull this in.
Oh, look at that stack of rocks.
Ah, that's cool.
Nice. That's really cool.
That
Blair
is
Ridge.
cool.
So, a question. When you're recording in your Jeep,
Yeah.
do you get all the sound effects and everything that we say too?
Yeah, record sound and video.
Oh God.
It's alright.
I might not pull this ride. It's kind of dark. It don't work great in the dark.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
There goes my. Oh, it's alright.
What is it? Definitely just crumpled that fucking...
My fender.
Yeah.
Is it still on there?
I
Yeah,
think
it's
so.
still on there, but it'll buff out. Buff out.
Between these two trees,
I don't think I'll make it.
Pretty tight.
we're getting a little close to this one.
Call me queer. Should have took the CJ.
Watch that.
Oh man, you see that?
I thought you said cerveza.
No, cerveza's beer. Oh. Yeah, he don't even care. He's like, wow.
Something on the back. That's a rock.
What the fuck was that?
Definitely
Slider.
the bumper off of it.
Oh, was it?
Holy
Yeah.
It sounded, it was in the back.
That was a bumper.
That was in the bumper. That was
I've
hard.
done plenty of those to know exactly what that was.
Oh,
What the hell?
he hit it that time.
Damn.
It sounded bad.
Samurai couldn't make that one.
Oh. Woo.
I told you.
That's a sensation when you're not used to it, huh?
Yeah.
So there's nothing exposed underneath.
Well, there is, but most
I'm sure it's
most
not-
rocks.
You're not gonna
You're
break
not
anything
gonna-
on a rock. If you got a
Right.
stick up in there, you'll break something, but you're pretty safe from rocks.
Yeah, something pointy would probably fuck it up.
Samurai Steve's cutting a shorty.
Look at him. Oh shit, Jurassic Park.
Right?
Oh yeah, what the hell?
What the
No,
fuck?
he's tired of you. He's not
I know,
waiting.
he ain't waiting for me no more.
We thought you were tired of waiting for us.
No, that's the original trail. We were out here with a stock Samurai. That's what we had to go up.
It's a little difficult in the fucking dark. You can't see everything.
Oh, what a close.
Where is it?
Right there next to your tire.
To the right or the left?
Go straight.
Oh, go straight. That was full articulation though. If he's got to back up.
Right.
Oops.
Nice.
Yeah. kind of had not much of a choice on that.
You have to do that twice.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Dude, what the fuck?
This is a.
I don't like to
This is a cliff's edge right here,
yeah,
baby.
that's scary.
Hang on. Hang on. Woo! We're on the bridge now.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck.
I need to
Yeah, take a picture of that.
video. We are on the ridge.
Don't roll off this hill.
Don't say that.
You guys are buckled, right?
No, I'm about to be though.
Oh wow, yeah. There's a big fucking rock sticking up there too.
It's not that bad.
No, looks pretty damn big. Dude.
I didn't either at first. I was like,
Oh, he's hitting it. This must be a good one, huh? Why did he go so fast up through here? Did he go to the left here?
I think he went straight.
Hold on, wait.
oh my god.
Right on your back, your spare.
All right, let me try it. Hang on. You gotta send it.
So he's got a little hand throttle in that fucking thing.
Yeah, that's awesome.
He puts it where he wants and goes. You like this part?
Yeah.
Ooh!
Lockers help.
I hear you.
Rocks there.
Fell all the way to the side. Oh yeah.
The buffalo.
Music to my ears.
There's the fucking mountain.
Yeah.
That fucking
Hold it. There. That's good.
Did he hit it?
Yeah, he did. Wow, he's a
Oh my
fucking
god.
nut.
No fucking way.
I'm gonna want to back up if he rolls down here.
What? Where's that? Where that rock is? I go to the right of it or the left of it?
You got it.
Man, this guy is fucking crazy too. He go right up there.
He's going back down. Oh! Holy fuck! Jesus Christ. He's getting mad. He's redlining that bitch now.
Yeah.
You're up next, brother.
Showtime.
Hold on to your butts.
Hang on to your fucking pee-pee. He just ran right into the tree.
Did he?
Yeah.
Big rock right there.
All right.
Hold on. Oh.
Go ahead. Got this, man.
Yep.
You got to back up and straighten out.
Like that?
You got a fucking tree.
You want to get a little run out of it?
He put up way too much dirt.
Stutter.
Stop there.
Yeah, he just flew up because he just had balls.
Oh shit, there you go, Chris.
That was a pretty steep drop to look like.
I know. He was all articulated up.
Bill, who moved all them logs?
I was
You
joking,
did all- most
sorry.
of them.
Alright then. Yeah, most of them, he said. Yeah, in this section right here, I moved all the logs pretty much.
Oh, wow.
Oh, nice one.
Oh.
He's in trouble.
He's fucking sending that. He's definitely got front end damage.
Now I can winch him.
Go through it all, just pull it out.
Hook it up right here. Put the clip down on that.
Save your tires, dumbass.
Oh my god! You really did hit it.
Once you do it, I would punch it.
What?
'Cause you're on a big rock. Right over like butter.
Changed his mind real quick.
Yeah, right?
Coming down the mountain.
Right now it's getting a little steep and then a little bit loose once we get down and turn the corner. It's a little steep and loose, so.
Alright.
Thanks for the warning.
Here we go.
Yeah, especially
1 o'clock in the
God
morning,
forbid something
definitely.
happen. Let's say, you know, anything.
Slide in the wall bit.
She's not.
Yeah, it's a little loose. Better watch out.
Jeez.
Boy, he don't even use his brakes.
Yeah, there's like drops and shit.
Man, we're fine. Oh man, where's he going? Oh, it's a switchback.
You might want to turn left when you
It
can.
is.
What the hell is that? A monkey?
Did you say a monkey?
Because,
Oh,
oh, look at that.
That's flexing. That was some fucking rough terrain.
Yeah,
was.
man.
The last fucking 6 hours.
Fun ride last night. We got a few more scratchers. Yep. Not bad though. It's a Jeep. Good as new. Good as new.